Howdy, welcome back to the Dixon Motors YouTube channel. My name is Troy, and this is another episode of the Rover review auction series that I'm due for Rovers that are for sale at dealer auctions throughout the United States. And what I have for you today is 2007 green L322 Supercharged. It's an 07. This is the one you want. This is the 07, 08, 09 L322 Supercharged. Are the most desirable, in my opinion, of the L322 models. Due to the engine configurations and whatnot, I think it's the best ones. And now this one has been for sale for a little while. It's for sale by an independent dealer. Only has a couple cars listed. Here's the description. Lots of maintenance and whatnot. It's got 4 owners. It's 200,000 miles. In theory, this should have sold for the money that he's asking it. But it raises some questions about the state of these type of cars that we want. Because at 200,000 miles and without a running video or without an underside shot, it doesn't look rusty at all. It's so much to gamble on if you're going to keep a car for, if you don't want to just throw away some money, which is also fine. But, it does the power of green supersede the potential headaches that this car could contain. So looking at it, looks great. Paint's great. It's not faded, which again is suspect because there could be rust hiding beneath. It is is located in New Jersey. I'm a little gun shy of those New York, New Jersey, Connecticut cars for obvious reasons, but the interior looks beautiful. You've got white leather. It's got the wood package. The arches and everything look good. Everything about this car, from an aesthetic standpoint, looks very good. The headlights are clear, the headliner's sagging and whatnot. You'll see that in some of the later pictures. But all, there's some maintenance, there's this or that. It's just sold by Richie's Garage, though, and that's tough. I mean, you've got the mats, it's got the dog. I mean, I have spent more money for worse. That being said, I would buy this myself, right? But I don't know. Anything goes wrong and it's completely totaled and then you're left trying to sell it. I feel like if I saw the car here and it was at my house and I could drive it and get a sense for it, I think it'd be worth every bit of that money as a cool, just clean, high mileage run around L322, which is kind of what they're good to be used for. It's green, it looks good, blah, blah, blah. Hopefully that's not coming from the truck down there. But I can't. I don't need another one. But I do want it, and this is pretty desirable, and it is pretty cheap. And if you're interested, we can help purchase and facilitate that purchase for you. But it's a tough one. I mean, this should be a buy. I should be saying, yeah, this is the one to get. But 200,000 miles, 200,000 miles. If I'd put the miles on it or bought it 150 and drove to 200, I would feel less concerned about it. But you never know. I want to hear a startup video. I want to see under body shot. I want to hear the engine running. I want to see it driving. I don't want to do control arms. So those are the little things that stand out to me, but it's a very pretty truck. It looks great. It's priced well, and the price keeps coming down. You can offer less. So kind of my take on that. It's the market is pretty good.